Hey guys, in today's video, we'll be going over all the Hedge Slammer cases. It's called the Hedge Slammer cases because these cases can all be solved with a single Hedge Slammer. Hedge Slammers are just the inverse of a sledgehammer, and they'll look like this: F, R prime, F prime, R. Let's get to the cases. So for this first case, this is simply the beginner algorithm, from beginner method. You simply do F to orient this one, inverse XC to put the other bad one down here, and F prime to orient it. When the corner's in the bottom, but it faces the front, you hold it here, and then you do RUI R prime, which sets it to the sledgehammer case. Here, if you have it facing the right, you simply just want to do a Hedge Slammer, except in the last move, you also want to cancel into inserting the corner, because if you just did the last move, you have to insert the corner after, but instead you can just do it like this, doing an R2 instead of an RR. For this case, when the corner is in the front right, and it faces the top, I do this algorithm: R, F, R2, F prime, R prime. That can also be finger tricked like this: R, B, B2, B prime, R prime, which can also just be as fast. When the corner faces the right, you simply just want to do a Hedge Slammer algorithm, and it solves it. For this next case, when the corner faces the front, you want to take this edge and put it down here to set up for a sledgehammer. And they have the sledgehammer case, which is all like this. So when it's oriented in the back, you simply just want to do a U2, and then you can do an RU2 R prime to set up to a sledgehammer case. I'll show you that again. Basically misorienting this one and putting that one here. And that perfectly sets up to a sledgehammer. For this case, you simply just want to do, like when it faces the right here, you simply just want to do a Hedge Slammer. But after you do it, you realize that you just have this 5-move insert, right? Which will require you to undo the last move you just did. So you can instead just cancel into doing the 5-move insert by doing F, R prime, F prime, U2, R, U2, R. For this algorithm, you simply do your, when it faces the back, you simply do your Hedge Slammer. But with the last move, you want to also insert this corner. So instead of doing an R, you do an R2. So then you can just move that corner there, and R prime. For this case, when it's oriented in the back left, like this, you want to hold it like this, and then you can do a Hedge Slammer algorithm. And that gives you the Hedge Slammer case that you went over earlier. When you get in the back left and facing the back, there's two main options for this. So I'll show two algorithms. First one is where you do your Hedge Slammer algorithm, but then do an R2 instead of an R for the last move in order to cancel into inserting the corner. And then the second algorithm is holding it here and doing S prime, then inserting the corner, and then doing S. For this next case, when the corner is oriented and in the front left here, you can hold it like this, and then you can do an F prime, and then wide R, UI, wide R prime, and fix it all with an F2. When the corner is in the front left and it faces the front, you simply want to hold it here, and then do wide R prime, F prime, UI, F. And then you can fix everything else with an R, U, wide R. When you have it in the front left and it faces the left, you want to hold the corner in the back right here, and then you can do an R, U2, R prime, which sets up to the 3-move sledgehammer case, which goes like this. F prime to orient this one, UI, and then F to orient this one. And that is all of the Hedge Slammer algorithms for EOLC.